Hi YouTubers, it's SmokeCat787. I'm actually going to do a video of me smoking. Got my Peterson little pipe, estate pipe, locked and loaded with some Railroad Station 965. And this is going to be a tobacco review. Yep, definitely going to be a tobacco review. I got some Strike Anywhere matches. Love these matches. Some people don't like them because they're flammable, but I like them. Okay. Been a while since I've done a video of me smoking. Having a hard time keeping this tobacco lit. Okay, review of Railroad Station 965. I'd say it's medium to full-bodied English. You get some nice pine taste from it. You definitely taste a lot of Kia from it, but not in a big way. It's not nearly as strong as Northwoods, even though it's listed as stronger than Northwoods. The wind is blowing right into the garage. Not a good thing. So it's strength-wise, I'd say it's medium, maybe. I don't get much nicotine from this. In terms of room note, I think it's tolerable. Definitely has a charcoal-like smell to it, which might not appeal to some people. Flavor on it, I'd say mild. It's definitely medium to full body English. I'd say medium maybe. Okay, that's my review. I give it probably 8.5 out of 10. Not bad. Again, this is a request video of me smoking. So, tell me what you think of it. Do you want to see more of this? Me smoking? Or do you like me in my room just talking about tobacco? Let me know. See you guys later. Bye.